Good day, folks, and thank you for tuning in to 9 Ways Nature, a show that offers a fresh perspective on the natural world around you. On today's episode, it's a bird. Nope. It's a plane. Nope. It's a... what the fudge? Alright, folks, what you are seeing on the screen right now is a hummingbird hawk moth. These fascinating moths can be found in many different parts of the world. They come in several different sizes, colors, and have different names, such as hawk moth, bee moth, cleared wing moth. The one in view right now is known as a white-lined sphinx hummingbird hawk moth. Unlike most moths that tend to be nocturnal, a hummingbird hawk moth can be found throughout the day, usually hovering amongst the flowers in your garden, hanging out with the butterflies and the bees. The hummingbird hawk moth is equipped with a straw for sucking up nectar from hard-to-reach places, also known as a proboscis. Here is a slowed-down look at the hummingbird hawk moth feeding on a lilac bush. With their long proboscis and their hovering behavior, accompanied by an audible humming noise, they look remarkably like a hummingbird while feeding on flowers, and are often mistaken from a distance as just that, a hummingbird feeding on flowers. We'd like to thank you for tuning in to today's episode of 9 Ways Nature. Also, we'd like to remind you to get outside and get some fresh air and enjoy some of the nature in your part of the world.